Stop reaching for your phone every time it rings. With your Galaxy Buds Core, you can answer, reject, or end calls instantly, without even touching your phone. Here's how to do it the easy way. When a call comes in, just double-tap either earbud. That will instantly answer the call. To end the call, simply double-tap again. And if you don't want to take the call, just press and hold the earbud for about 1 second to reject it. If this doesn't work on your device, don't worry. It just means the controls might need a quick setup. Go to Settings, then open Connections. Tap Bluetooth and find your Galaxy Buds Core from the list. Now, tap the gear icon next to it. Here, go to Touch Controls. Scroll down and you'll find the Call Controls section. Here you'll see simple options for how your earbuds react during calls. Just make sure both options are turned on and set the way you want. And that's it. Now you can handle calls quickly and easily without ever pulling out your phone. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick Samsung tips.